npm web app. And then first, I think we need to download the content first. I will use this command line. And let it run first. And yes.
Okay, never mind. I'll hand over it. Okay, for today's session.
Okay.
So let's so today what we're going to do is to build a self to-do list. So let me share my screen here first. So what we're using is we will use Subkit and with Tailwind. So let's go to Tailwind CSS and see how we configure the thing with Subkit. Yeah, we just copy it in our terminal first. npm init spell and next my to-do list, to-do app. Yes. And then we will need a skeleton project thing. Yeah, skeleton project. And JavaScript. Yes, link. Yes, prettier. Yeah. And then cd into it. And then after that, npm install. Okay, so after we have installed dependencies, we have to set up for the Tailwind first. We just copy the whole thing and then paste it inside terminal. Yeah, and then we open the code. Okay, next we'll see how to config the whole thing. So config, yeah, actually we just copy the whole thing. Yeah, copy the whole thing and then paste it here. Yeah, import this. Okay. Hello, welcome, Xin Hong. Hey, Xin Hong. So we are going to build a start to-do list today. Yeah. So yeah, you can refer to this link I'll send to the chat. We just started yet. We just started. You just create like copy and paste the whole thing in the terminal. Yeah. So we are at the step configuration. So actually, I can wait for you. Yeah. First, type in these two things first. npm init, so and next my app. cd my app and then run npm install. Okay, never mind, let's continue. And then we'll go to tailwind.config, copy the whole thing and paste it in here. Yeah. After that, we will have to create an app.css file here. And then we'll have to copy and paste this thing in here and import the thing into the layout file. You guys know about the layout, right? I talked about it last week. So the layout is just the layout that is used in every page. So we have to import this Apple CSS into it. So every page can use the Tailwind classes. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Yeah, copy the whole thing in it. Then it's done for now. Let's see. npm run dev. And we can see here that it is running here. So in case you guys don't know how to use those Tailwind, right? So to check if your Tailwind is set up successfully, let's just test it out like class. Oh. Yeah, and you see that the text is the size of the text has increased, right? So we can see that the Tailwind has successfully set up, has successfully configured. Okay, so now we can proceed into our Svelte to-do app. And the end. My sound a bit, will my sound soft? Hello. Can you guys hear?
Yes, can hear.
Yeah. How about the others? Hey. Sorry, I haven't.
Can.
Okay, Jackson and Chin Hong, right? Hey, Chin Hong, are you there? Hmm? Oh, sorry. Okay, I think he is not there. Okay, then let's just look at the thing we have to build today. Forget about everything here. Just look at the page, and then we'll just build it on scratch. Okay. What needs to be done? We'll just code out the static thing for as what is shown here first. Put a div, no, not div. So it's a title here, make it a h1 tag, and then what needs to be done. And under it, we'll have the input box. And it'll have the button here. We add. And 3 boxes here. A button. For this button, we'll just render it out with the each directive. So we declare the status first. Let a constant status equals to all and completed. Yeah. So we'll just render it out here. Each status as a let's make it a plural form here. Each status is a status. Yeah. Each. And then just put it status. Okay, so it is rendered out now. At all active completed. We don't bother about the style first. Just code the static thing out first. Okay, so this show that 2 out of 3 items are completed. So we'll have to create a basic thing for it first. Right. It'll be a div and then pull out. Wait, I think it shouldn't be a div also. Let's make it a h1 tag or h2. Yeah, it to make it a more conventional name. 2 out of 3 items completed. Okay, so now that's the div already. The div, what will be there in the div? So inside the whole div, we'll wrap the first thing out first. There'll be a checkbox, input type checkbox. And then the other one is our task name, right? So we just write task name first here. Okay, so let's see what is left out. Okay, so the second thing here is edit and delete button. Delete. And then down there there'll be 2 buttons here, which is the check all. Just a bunch of button. Check all. And remove completed. Okay, so let's check if everything is out now. What needs to be done? Yeah. Add all active completed. Add all active completed. 2 out of 3 items completed. Yeah. Task name. Yeah. Edit, delete. Check all, remove completed. Yeah. So now every static thing here is done, right? So we'll go into style. We will style the thing out first. Okay. So wrap the whole thing to a div first. And then let's let the text larger a little bit first. Text large. Large. And it is in the center, right? So we'll have to make it a flex box. Flex. And then flex column. Define center. Item center. Yeah, and everything will be at the center now. Okay, so let's see the first one. What needs to be done is here. Wait, Let's set some padding. Oh, let's set some margin top. Margin top. Maybe put it a 10. 10. Yeah. And then the title, we'll make it larger. Text 2XL. Yeah, and make it maybe font a bit bold. Yes. Okay. After selling, the title is the input box class. All the tooling styling is just classes and classes. So the more you use it, then you will get into their classes lah. For the input box, we have to make it a border and a border gray. Let's say 500. Yeah. And then let's see. Okay, it is ugly there, so we'll have to make it a padding inside. Padding 2. Okay. And the word will be more nice. It looks neater. After that, we can make it round also, rounded. Excel. Okay. Yeah, then let's see. So okay, we close this first. All active and completed, right? We have to make the 3 button into a flex box, so 3 of them can each other, right? Plus make it a flex. Oh wait, why isn't it working? Yeah, because it should be like this. The each should be under it, can be hung together, right? Okay, so let's style the button now. Each button, I'll say like they have a border and border black. Wait, border gray. I think border gray 300 is always the neat thing. 300. Okay, so each button we give it a fixed width. Let's try. No. Wait, I forgot a bit already. Let's try full first. And then justify center. Yeah, and then here you can actually make the width larger, like 50%. Oh, it's a bit too large. Oh, out of one. Okay, 4 out of 1 is nicer. Or maybe just 10%. I don't know. Let's try 10%. 5-1. Okay, we give 5-1 first. And then, yeah, it looks nicer now and give it a gap. Don't want them to hug too close together. Get 5. Yeah, and it will have a gap between them. Make it rounded also. Look nicer. Rounded large. Oh, sorry. It should be under here. Yeah. Okay. And then let's see. It's under here. 2 out of 3 items completed. So I think this should be text left. Right, that's right. Left. I think it is I think it is under, it cannot be a, because the flex is already controlling the alignment. A, let's see. I forgot how to do this thing. The diff to wrap it out first. Okay, and then put a class and flex. Oh, it doesn't work. Why? Why? Let's see. Wait. Let's see. Why is it like this? Wow, it is fanning the whole page. No. Too big already. Let's say like half of the page. Okay. And no lah. Hiya, how we do? Padding X 32. 50. No 50. 52. Yeah. Let's make it padding here. And then let's ignore the styling for this first because I forgot how to style it. Wait, let's try W full. Yeah. And then what? Why is it like this? Gosh, it looks ugly. Try to make it same as page. 1/4. Okay, never mind. Ignore this first. And task name edit delete. Oh. So actually, the whole thing here should be wrapped into another div. I think so. So let's see. This is for the button, right? Yeah, this is for the button. Just wrap another div here. Control the thing out. Yeah, so now it's better. Let's see. This should be like plus W4. Yeah. This be W4 also. Where is it? Okay. And padding 60. Sorry. Here. W full and padding 60. Okay, too much already. Okay lah. Ignore the styling first. It's ugly. Gosh. 2 out of 3 items is completed. Task name. Edit delete. So actually, this whole thing is another diff, right? So let's see. Yeah, edit and delete is flex box also. Make it 5 gap. How much? 2 gap 2. And then task name, and this is a flex also. Flex gap 2. And remember to make it center, item center. Yeah. And then this whole thing can be wrapped as a flex also. Flex column. Item center. Oh, no need center. Ugly thing. Ugly thing. The button will give them a style here. Class. Border. Border gray 300. And then padding to maybe, and then for edit we give it a background blue 300. Okay, class, wait, okay, and then the last one is the check call and remove completed. This is a flex also. Oh, sorry. Flex. And justifies and gap, put it a 5. And their tags, wait. Just copy the whole thing down. Paste. But for these two, they are the same, right? So they have the black background and ignore the border gray lah. Hiya. And white, text white. Their color is white. Okay, so now I think, oh, we missed out the add button. Where's the add button? Here. Paste it down. And the background should be gray. 300. No. The width should be full. Oh my gosh, it is ugly. Let's see, rounded. Oh, yeah, and put a margin for it. Margin Y. It means margin top and bottom for, let's say, 10. Not a lot. 5. Yeah, nice. And the input box should be full width also. Yeah. And let's give the input box also a margin top. 5. Okay. Let's see what else for their style. For the button, I'll say, 2. No, why is it like this? Why is it like this? How if the button is full? The width is full. Oh, okay. I think it's better now. Yeah, it's better now. And of course, we uh, give some margin here under the three buttons. Give it a margin button, margin bottom. Okay. Yeah. Ouch. Ouch. What is it? Yeah, and then this thing will make it text XL and font medium. Okay. Margin bottom 5. Okay, so let's see for the task name. This task will put it a border here also. Oh, sorry. I mean, yeah, I mean the whole thing here can be make it a border gray 300 and with a padding of 5. Nice, looks better now. And this, let's make it just padding X. Yeah, so everything is almost done for now. And make it a margin bottom for 5. Let's say, yeah, 5 is good. Let's put some round for the button also. Round the XL. Rounded L. Okay, so wait. Okay, so I think the styling is almost done. Can be almost the same, but at least it looks like this. Okay, let's put it one more line there, right? You just put it a line here for the top, for the T, and for the black. Yeah, and then make it some padding top 5. Yeah, and the line comes out here. Padding X. What am I doing? Okay, now the static data and styling has already come out, right? So what we have to do now is try to make the data dynamic. Let the data dynamic. So actually what does a to-do list do is just let us practice the CRUD thing. Yeah, that means we have to create something and we can read something like filtering out the different things and or search the to-dos and CRUD, sorry. CRUD means create, yeah, add button is create and read 3 of these things. Update, we can edit and update it. And then delete, we can delete the task we don't want, right? So let's see, let's do the first one, create. Here. Let's see. So what I'll do is uh, we'll create an array here first. To do array and make it an empty array. Maybe let's put it ouch, some dummy data here first. And if we want to render the box here, right, we have to look through the array, the to-do array. So just now we just write task name here. Let's find the whole thing out. This thing, right? We'll look through the array here. Each to-do array as to-do. So the whole thing here will need no. The task name will be to-do.id. Oh, sorry, to-do.title. Yeah, let me spell. So it will be dynamic now. Then. Okay, let's see for now. We want to create something, right? So we'll have to, let's see the add button here. We have to type something here. And then, and after we click the button, it will push the thing you write into it. Wait, it's completed. So let's see. We'll create a function here first. We'll say that add to do equals to something, and then okay. Then what's next? We'll bind the add to do function to this particular button. So as I covered last week, right? For the button directive, you have to use write it like this is file, and it is a function declare, so we just have to put it here add to do. Yeah, then it's done. Sorry, let me close the other tabs first. Okay, so let's try if the button works. Let's see, we log something. Hello. And we open the console here. Ouch. Can we zoom in? Cannot. Why is it like this? Hiya. Okay. Wait. Let's see if the console got the thing. If we edit. Yeah, it works right. So that means that the button is already bind with the function. So let's push the array here. Let to do post to. So we can see this is an array object, right? ID equals to. Oh, I don't like to write the ID out. Ignore the ID first. Title equals to. Wait, what is it equals to? To do name. Let's see. I forgot. Is it something like this? Completed false. This false first at first. Title. We just add something first here. Hello. And then to do, every time we click on the button, it will actually push the thing into the array. To do. Okay, let's see. Wait. What happened here? What happened here? Okay. Wait a minute. I guess something is not working here. Sorry, wait a minute. Uh, okay. So if we add to do, we have to put something like this. Sorry, to do. This is the parameter that has to include. Yeah, so what the to do will be is title will be a name here. Let's say to do name, and we'll have to declare a to do name here first. Otherwise, it won't work. Yeah, sometimes if uh it has an error message here like this, right? So it always means that it is just something that JavaScript check the tab for you. We can disable the strict check here. Where is it? Where is it? Let's see. Svelte.config.js. No. JS.config.json and then strict be false. Yeah. And then it'll disappear. Because it won't affect, because this error won't affect our program run. So just disable the strict check. I mean for a small projects. Okay, let's see. Oh, I missed out. Uh, miss out value for it. A key value for it is added. Because if the is added value is true, then we can edit it. It's added. Actually, so what does it mean here? That means that every time we want to add a new to-do task, right? The to-do task will have a false completed, is completed false value, and is added value is false, right? Because every time the new to-do we edit, it is just under initialized status. So it is what is different is just the to-do name. So actually, it is done now. Yeah. Let's say if the to-do name is an empty string, yeah, and then here we have to add some value in it. To do. What is it mean? Oh, if you have to pass in the parameter in it. Ouch. Sorry. What am I doing? Um, uh, yeah, we have to find the value first, I think. Hmm. Sorry. Let me think for a while first. Oh, sorry. This is not to do. This is a task name. To do name. Yeah. And then we'll say, sorry. What am I doing here? We can just copy the whole thing here and then push the whole thing here. To do name. Yeah. So I guess things are good for now. Okay, so let's see what is a to do name. To do name. Let's say if the oh sorry, you see what's the error here? Let's see what's the error here. Type void type void is not assignable to type mouse event handler. So actually this means that we have to add an arrow function here. Yeah, yeah, that arrow will disappear. Okay, let's see if we have success for this part. Uh, if to the name equals to a, no, it fails. It fails. It fails. Why? Why? Because we have to input something in the input box, right? So, but if I write hello like this, it can't actually get my value here. So we have to bind the to-do name with the input value. Let's see where's the input here. Yeah, let's say the value. We have to bind the value here, and then the value will be to-do name. Yeah. Let's see if we have bind the value out to name. It is undefined at first, but if we type hello, yeah, now it is bind to to-do name. And if we add it, it still can get. Why? Why? Let me check. Wow. Oh, actually, you know why? Because in Svelte, right, when we push the data, like if we update the data in it, right, we have to reassign the value to tell Svelte that we have updated the value. Don't ask me why, because this is just how Svelte work. So we have to write it like to do ARR equals to do ARR. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Let. Yeah, and after we put this assignment here, then it is done for now. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's refresh. See, the first task is learn file and maybe learn view, and we edit. Okay, then we add something like learn react. Okay, you can see that it keeps updating, right? So we have completed the create function, but um yeah, because time is running out, right? If we just quickly go through something first. Actually, there are many optimization that can be done here. Like if we type and if we click if we press the enter button, and it will push inside also. Or if we and if we edit the input, the input box will be a blank value every time if we put something. Yeah, so let's see. Actually, this is easy to do only. We'll just let a new input value. Let new input value close to a blank value, and then we bind the new input value. Where is it? Bind. this actually what is this here? This is actually uh, the input box here. Then we bind this to new input value. Yeah, and then not value, sorry. Let's say like new input field. That new input field. New input field. Then actually every time if we create the thing and the new input field will becomes a blank value. Why is it like this? Oh, because we have to be the value. Yeah, new input field is just the whole input box. We have to include the value. Sorry. Yeah, then let's try. Sorry, let's get the else first. Okay, let's try. Every time I put learn view, and then this input box will be a blank, will become blank. Yeah, and then learn react. Yeah, and it is success. Okay. Yeah. So it is done for the create one. Then the time is running out, so we just do something, do the delete one, I think. Yeah, for delete. Let's do the delete first. Where is the delete button? Okay. We bind something here first. And if we click the delete, we'll do a function like handle delete. And the handle delete will say, ouch, handle delete task name. No, no, no. Actually, we don't need the task name. And then we declare the handle delete function here. Constant handle delete equals to something arrow function. And then actually you guys know what array method is used for delete. Do you guys know? Jackson, are you still there?
Price.
Yeah, splice. So we just have to do array splice. And let's see where should we splice. Because uh, because each to do here, right? Oh, we need the index for it also. So the handle delete will delete the specific item that belongs to the index, right? So we'll put in the I here, and then we will find the index of I in the array, and then we'll have to delete one item in it. Yeah, and then as I said, every time we have any updates to the original variable, we have to assign it again. To do ARR equals to do ARR. Okay, let's see. Learn view, and we edit. Yeah, and then we delete. Yeah, it's success already. See, learn, react, we edit, and then we delete it. Learn spell, delete it also. Yeah, and nothing else here, right? Uh, okay, so the create and delete function is sorted out now. Let's see 2 or 3 items is completed here. let's put, this is an easy thing. We just render the to do ARR dot length here. Yeah, one item. And this we have to calculate the completed value first. So we ignore it first. Let's see if the length is correct. Hello, edit. Hello, yeah, 2 out of 2. Hello, 3 out of 3. Yeah, so that means that it is rendered correctly here lah. Okay, so create delete. Let's see if we have time to continue something like a. Okay. Let's see the edit value. Edit. Handle edit. Because these are almost the same. Click. We're buying something like, sorry, handle edit. Okay, we need the I here also. Because we have to edit the specific I. Okay, then we declare the handle edit here. Const handle edit equals to I here. To do dot is edit equals to true. Log to do dot is edit. Okay. Sorry. Localhost. What is it here? Oh, what's the error here? Oh, what happened here? Oh, no worry. Yeah, and see if we can edit the thing here. Edit true. I mean, every time we want to edit it, right? Yeah. It is true now. Before that, let's see. Or let's see something like on more. No. Sorry. Yeah. At first, the value is, we do the same thing. Before we click, it is false, and after we click, it is true now. Before we click, it is false, and after we click, it is true. So, what does this do? Let's see. Where is the learn felt thing? Here, right? To do the title, blah blah blah. Then we have to put a conditional here. If to do dot is edit, because to do is the loop thing, right? If to do dot is edit is true, then we have to give it some input box. Else, it is false. Oh, sorry. What am I doing? I mean, if it is true, then we have to give it a input box here. Input. Else, we just else it is just normal here. Okay, so let's try it now. Edit it becomes an input box here. Oh, let's start the input box here. Class, uh, border, border gray. Edit, yeah, it comes out already. And maybe margin bottom 2. Edit, yeah. And what we want to do here is we want to bind the value to the want to bind the value to do dot title, right? So after we write this, right, let's try it out. Learn spell, and then we want to become learn react, and and then and then what we have to do is what we have to do is um on blur here. Is it on blur here? Uh, Sorry, give me a second here. Yeah, we have to put it on blur event. So the blur event means every time the input lose focus, right? Then we'll say that to do dot is edit equals to false. Yeah, let's try it out. Edit, learn, view. Yeah, it is complete. It works, right? Hello, and click anywhere and make the focus, make the input box lose the focus. Yeah. So the update it is completed. So what we have go into it so far is creating learn view, and then deleting, and then editing. Yeah, CRU. Except for the filter thing, we haven't covered it lah. So I think that's all for tonight. Can you guys follow up? I mean, am I too fast or can you guys?
Can.
Yeah, how about Jackson?
Can.
Okay, so I think that's so far we've covered tonight. So I think are you guys free tomorrow? Maybe we can arrange a next session tomorrow to cover up the whole thing.
No problem, but I don't know whether Yichang will allow or not.
Yeah, sure, sure thing. If you guys is okay, then I'll arrange a
I'm
session
okay.
tomorrow
I'm okay.
to continue the whole thing lah. Yeah, how about Jack?
Can also. Can.
Okay, so let's call it a night. Then I'll see what time we'll suit tomorrow to do the whole thing now, complete the whole thing now. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Stop presenting for now. Okay. Stop recording. So let's call it a night. Thanks for joining and good night. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.